This is an ATapps tech tip on how to activate text-to-speech in Microsoft Office. It's very easy to do. Come up here to the little drop down where we can customize the quick access toolbar. Click on More Commands. Here we want to change from popular commands to all commands, and then scroll right down to where we have Speak. Click on it. Down here we click on Add and then OK. What that means is when we highlight and select text and tap on that, it will speak it to us.
This is a demonstration of text-to-speech in Microsoft Word.
It's very easy to use, so we can use that in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint and Outlook. This is great for students who tire with large volumes that they have to read. It's good for students who don't have the skills to read what they need to access curriculum for their year level. And it's also helpful for all of us when we're doing editing. It's difficult for everyone to find the mistakes that we've made. Much easier for us to listen to it to be able to do editing. For more tech tips, visit atapps.com.au.